There we go. Hey, what's going down, man? It's your boy Big Galley True Fishing. Hey, so today, you know what I'm saying, I'm back on the Chuda Kabuff. You know what I'm talking about? The Chuda Kabuff, however you want to pronounce it. Now, I got some live shrimp, some live bull minnows, and we just out here trying to see if we can catch fish. You know what I'm talking about? No real goal. I got Cheese back there, you feel me? I don't know what he's doing back there, but wasting daylight right now. You know what I'm talking about? But I'm gonna be moving up into our first little spot here shortly. So I'll see y'all then, man. As I move to this first little cut here, you feel me? I'm gonna try to fish off this little point. So what the shrimp are doing right now, they in this little weed line, grass line. So the name of the game, to try to get it as close as possible to it. But first, I guess I gotta have a shrimp on. I ain't mean this down close. He got bit. There we go. There we go. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. There we go. Ugh. I knew I just got bit. On a little small side, but that's a beautiful gold one, boy. Ooh, yes sir. Look at that. Beautiful fish, boy. Nice good gold in the morning like that. Beautiful fish. That's a good 19. We are keeping fish, even though I forgot my cooler bag, but I am supposed to be taking some fish to a couple co-workers, so we'll throw him on the stringer. Got one? Red. That's all you gotta do is just work that bitch along the bank like that. Cause they definitely here. Let's see if there's another one in the same spot. Got one. Oh, bro, that was about to be a big one, boy. What? Bro, bent my hook. Yeah. Boy. What? There's something huge over here, bro. Damn. Huh? Yep. That's close to that weed line, boy. As soon as that hit, it went in the water, and I was like, bro, what the fuck? Felt that tug. You got one? Atta boy. Cheese is on. Atta boy. I told you they back here. I have a whole stringer.
I'm scared of this motherfucker ain't gonna push all.
Oh, you can hold the bottom now. You need it for positive grip. There you go. Oh yeah, that's a nice one right there. See?
Oh yeah. Them motherfuckers definitely look alike.
There we go. Oh. Oh, bro, come on. Come on. You heard that? That's gotta be something in the grass for real, bro. There we go. Come on. There we go. Damn, damn, damn. Damn, son. He's a little bit smaller than before, but he's pretty nonetheless. Can I limit out here today? Damn, he exactly 18. Hell yeah. Down. I think I'm gonna let him go though. Beautiful fish. 19. Look at her. Pretty nice and gold. It's turning out to be a pretty decent morning here on the Chutacabuffa. Damn, I just spooked something right there. That little dude put up a fight. I thought he was bigger than what he was, but when you pinch the tail, he was 18, so decided to spare him a little bit, get bigger. Oh, boy. Something just spooked off towards that way. Something big. Bro, I'm seeing wakes everywhere right here, bro. I see wakes everywhere right here. Bro, they're thick right here. After throwing around that little poppy cork, man, the bite kind of slowed down a little bit. So we decided to relocate, reposition and stuff like that, man. And when we did that, that's when things really got fun. That nearest little grass line, right there, on the other side of that dock, that's where we're going. My fault. It's actually that one. I said it's that one, not this one. Ladyfish. Just gotta keep weeding through those. These little strobe shakers from 6 cents. They look good. They look real good. See how good they are. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a good one. Oh. Off the 6 cents.
That's my rock, boy. Take more rock.
That's a fish. Yep. Red. I knew it. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, my GoPro battery had died. But as you see, you know what I'm saying? Another little 19-inch red. You feel me? Off that 6 cents. Strobe. I knew I had to weave through some ladyfish to get to these, to get to this guy, but it's all good. So, I'm still on them. Nice. That's a nice little stringer right there, man. Beautiful little stringer. Today's a pretty decent day, man. Can't complain. Knew what had to be done and came out here and did it. Let's see if we can get on some more. That's 2 towards my limit. Cheese got 1. So. It's interesting knowing that these strobes from 6 cents are definitely worth it. They got this weird little paddle on the front. I didn't think that was gonna work as well as it do, but these fish over there taking full advantage of this. I love to see it. Let's get back over there and see if there's some more hanging around in that area. See if we can limit out. I'm already 2/3 away from a slam. 2/3 away from a limit. It's a good day, man. It's hot, but it ain't scorching. We catching fish. I haven't caught a catfish all day, so that's cool. Ladyfish or whatever, you know what I'm saying? They put up a decent fight, entertaining. We could go to that other side of it, where this little opening is. Yeah, and then go to the other side and just drift that part. Oh, another fish. Oh yeah. That might be my limit for the day. Come on, come on. That's a fish. Yep, that's my limit for the day. 3. That's what I'm talking about. That's my first limit. That's the first time I ever limited out on reds, bro. Yeah, yeah. I've always get like 2. Oh yeah. On that 6 cent strobe again. Oh yeah. And this time he ate my lure. 2 on that side, 3 dots on that side. Oh yeah, that's a limit right there. Got dinner for the night. Got dinner I could leave for tomorrow. And got extra meat for the cold work. Bet. And the one day I don't have a cooler bag. Yeah. Boy, that's a stringer, boy. That's a stringer, bro.